Hey, most of the rich people told you money will be made the hard way only, which leads you to work every hour of your life and every day just to earn enough money to retire and finally dies. Let's be real for a second. Do you think people working 12 to 15 hours at jobs and becoming millionaire? Answer is
Oh, hell no.
I am going to guide you step by step on how you can make $10,000 a month with just less than 1 hour of work. It's called passive income. Welcome back to another video. My name is Key, and I'll show you the easy way to make money with new Google Nano Banana AI. I'm going to show now a quick, easy setup tutorial, and it's not going to be long and it's free. You don't need to invest any money. So first you need to go to Google, and now Nano Banana has insane results with image generation, so let's start. The first thing we want to do with this is we're going to tell it to do create for us. Create a 10-page kids book about a dragon with images and text. We'll see what it can do. Now it's start creating every image and story. Meanwhile, for images is taking some time. And here it go. OMG, look how insane the result is in these images. Kids, dragon, and even text is perfect without mistakes. In end, it did not god the text, but you can edit this easily. We used some 14,000 credit, but every day it's renewed. And this is the easiest free way to create a book.
Now we're going to download this all images one by one. I don't know any other way to download all in one, so that's it. Great tips. Don't match the download image pages. It's most common mistake. What we want to do now is we now want to go over to Canva templates and we want to put in kids book templates. Here we're going to find all kind of sizes, templates, but we created a square one, so we're going to find square template. You can also create a rectangle images if you want. You just need to add a size 1 prompt. Here we're going to choose this, and now we're going to go ahead and edit this template. What I'm going to do is I open my file here. I've just opened up my downloads. Here I've got my page 1. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to spread it out. Fits perfect. I'll delete this extra text first. Now we're going to go to page 2. We're going to put it on here. We're going to spread it out. It should fit perfect as well, and it does. Very simple edit.
Now I'll fast forward edit this all images one by one. It's not going to take a long time. Any kid can edit this. In the end, you have to delete all extra text you have on these pages. Make sure to check all pages and delete all extra elements if you have any. Also, in some images, AI didn't add the text, so what we're going to do is add new text and go back to Nano Banana and copy the story text with right page number and add it here. You can also change the fonts from here. Try to find a similar font that will match with other images, and do some adjustments here with texts. And that's it. You can click on Share button on top corner and hit the Download button with PDF format, and file is started to downloading. Guys, with Nano Banana, we just created a kids storytelling ebook that we can sell it. Look at all the details. It's so perfect in just less than 10 minutes. You can sell PDF here. I'm gonna go ahead and open the book now. And here we go. I only did 7-page book tutorial, but you can edit as much as you want, 10 or 20 or even 30.
But where we can sell these books, there is 2 platforms. One is Amazon and second it at sea. Comment if you want me to make full video on how to sell on Amazon. But right now we're gonna sell this on Etsy. Check out, all these people are selling books here. And these are PDF format that we created. We don't need to print these files. Customers will pay you and download the PDF digital files. Check this some book listing review. 4,000. This one have 24,000 and 2,500 and 5,000. And some of these are coloring books. You can design this also with a Nano Banana. It means these people make at least $10,000 to $20,000, and it's one-time work only. And you can also keep earning money with less work. You can work from anywhere in the world. But first, to create a listing, you can simply go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Hey, I'm selling kids dragon story book on Etsy and the title is Sparky the Friendly Dragon. Please give me the SEO description for my Etsy listing. It takes some time to create this and boom, here you go. You can copy this all text and create your first Etsy listing with AI. Isn't it amazing? If you're still watching here, great tips. To sell on Amazon, you need to upscale the images because Amazon only sell printable books. Etsy, you need to do some niche research, or you can simply ask ChatGPT to give me 10 idea of toddler books. Give me 10 idea for coloring books. This is how you can find your winning product with some research and brainstorming. I know you guys are smart, so jump on this business and make some money with Nano Banana. Try more ideas with books, maybe a Christmas coloring book. I hope it will be helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing videos. Tell me in the comments how you like this new AI.